Good afternoon, my dear friends. I hope you're enjoying your beautiful Friday afternoon if you're in the west coast of USA and anywhere else that you are. I hope you've had a beautiful day so far or evening. I just came on to talk about our ongoing, so far, my workshop on making a commitment for love is sort of ongoing until we finish the whole book. Because we discuss each chapter or pillar every week. It's interactive, it's on Zoom, and we can connect with everyone around the world that their time matches ours. It's going to be 5 p.m., 5 in the evening to 6:30 in the evenings on Tuesdays in Los Angeles time or Pacific Standard Time. So we have a few of loved ones from the East Coast and Denver and everywhere else. So I'm inviting you to join us if you like. This week we're going to talk about forgiveness and the psychological and physical aspects of forgiveness. For example, did you know that forgiveness can bring you lower blood pressure and stronger immune system? I mean, if you didn't, you know now. But if you would like to join us, we would love to have you add to our family. And we talk about forgiveness. We ask questions, we share. I have two of my colleagues, psychoneurologists, on board as well, and they are going to be tuning in as well. It's amazing because everybody, all the participants are knowledgeable in different areas of life, and they always talk about their experiences. A lot of times I learn a lot from my participants, so I'm extremely grateful. And if you have any issues letting go, forgiving people, this is the best time to join us on Tuesday. So if you're interested, you can send me a private message with your name, phone number, and email address. I'll be emailing the information either today or tomorrow. So there will be the Zoom link, our Facebook link that you can add to our, be a part of our family on Facebook in our private group. And, all the information you need, a workbook. In the workbook, there are questions and statements that you can read and you can answer questions for your own life, what's happening in your own life. And basically, I'm here to just support you and have a nice gathering of beautiful people around each other, which becomes very sacred. It's very, everybody can chime in and they can share anything they would like about their life, and it's confidential among the group. And it's just a fabulous thing. I think that's a blessing that I didn't finish it in 12 weeks. Actually, I think this week is going to be our 12th or 13th week of our gatherings. So chapter 8 or pillar 8 is about forgiveness. We have another 5 going, and forgiveness is going to be something that we're going to be apparently talking about maybe for 2 weeks. I'm not sure, because there are some chapters or some subjects like self-love or respect, communication, gratitude that we have already covered, and some of them we had to go more than a week. And all the questions are always welcome. All recommendations are always welcome. And if you can join us, you are welcome to join us. So I hope that you enjoy your beautiful Friday evening, and we'll meet in person soon. It's a beautiful weather in Southern California right now. and there's a nice breeze coming. So I'm so glad I got a chance to be with you for a few minutes. As always, I love you very much and looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.